Okay, good morning. So today I want to show you how to test a Chev Aveo T255 instrument cluster or speedometer. It's a Chev Aveo 2006 to 2008. There's two versions of this. This is the one with a smaller LCD screen. Alright, so we're not going to connect to the plugs, which we normally do. Alright, so normally we'll connect there and we'll have the pinouts here. These pinouts are all on our website to power up these instrument clusters. So what we're going to use, so we're not going to connect there. We're not going to connect there. For this one you need a soldering iron, because our connections is actually going to be here on V1 and here on V2. Okay, so we're going to connect a positive wire to this one. So this will be your positive. This will be your second positive. This is your earth. Alright, so let me show you how we can connect that.
Yeah, that's okay now.
So you just want to tin your connections first, or your pad. You don't have to make a too bigger. You don't have to fill the whole hole, the complete hole. You can just put some tin or soldering wire on the pads. You also don't want to put too much so that it can go through. Okay.
Jim?
Yes.
But I didn't go to Faiz for the stuff for the...
Yes.
Okay. What are you busy with?
I'm just testing this guy.
You want to go?
Yes.
Oh. Can you go? For that part, for the Nissan, for the joke?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so you have a positive second positive. Here you have your earth. Now you want to connect your 12, okay, supply your 12 volt. There you can see your mileage, 212,000 kilometers. Alright, if you're happy, you disconnect your instrument cluster. Disconnect the connections.
Ja.
Eugene Low. Lekker zelf. Je kan ja. Ja, natuurlijk. Alright. Is Chev Aveo T255 instrument cluster. If you wanna learn and get more instructions on how to test instrument clusters, issues, or adjust mileage if you have to change your instrument cluster, go and join our website on R&D Auto Electronics. There's courses on how to do this, and if you're a subscriber you also get support, so we can assist you with this.